To open a Paxful wallet, you will need to create an account on the Paxful website. Start by going to the Paxful website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide a valid email address and create a password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password to secure your account. After creating your account, you will need to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Paxful and click on the verification link. This will activate your account and allow you to access the Paxful platform. Once your account is verified, log into your Paxful account using your email address and password. You will be taken to the Paxful dashboard, where you can access various features and services. To open your Paxful wallet, click on the Wallet tab on the top navigation menu. This will take you to the Wallet page, where you can view your account balance and transaction history. On this page, you can also send and receive cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin. To send or receive cryptocurrencies, you will need to generate a wallet address. Click on the Receive button to generate a new wallet address. You can share this address with others to receive payments. It is essential to note that Paxful is a peer-to-peer marketplace, and your wallet is used to store and manage your cryptocurrencies. Make sure to keep your account and wallet secure by enabling two-factor authentication and keeping your password and wallet address private. In conclusion, opening a Paxful wallet is a straightforward process that requires creating an account, verifying your email address, and logging into your account. By following these steps, you can access your Paxful wallet and start using it to send and receive cryptocurrencies. Remember to always keep your account and wallet secure to protect your assets.